Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 2000 C5 Corvette LS1 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up here. This engine starts right up. It currently has 77,960 miles on it. Oil pressure right at 40 psi. This is the 345 horsepower LS1 engine. It's currently made it up to an automatic transmission. Engine's in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. Go ahead and rev it up. If you have any questions, give us a call at 704-320-0073.